We spend a lot of time fearing the breaking point. We treat breaking as a sign of permanent damage, a flaw in the design. But in the natural world, the most resilient structures are those that know how to yield, snap, and reform. True strength is not being unbreakable, it is being rebuildable. If you feel like you've lost your momentum, your position, or your sense of self, remember that the most beautiful cities in the world are built on top of their own ruins. The rubble of your before is the foundation of your after. You aren't starting from scratch, you are starting from experience. A comeback isn't a magic trick. It doesn't happen in a single cinematic moment. It happens in the dark, in the quiet hours when no one is clapping. It's found in the discipline of the small step, the decision to show up when you feel invisible, the courage to ask for help when you feel weak, the persistence to move forward when the path is obscured. The scars you carry are not badges of shame. They are proof that you survived the battle. They are the texture of a life lived with guts. Don't let a season of struggle convince you that you are a person of struggle. You are the architect, not the building. If the current structure of your life has collapsed, you still hold the blueprints. You still have the tools. The world loves a finished product, but the universe honors the process. Your value is not tied to your pace. It is tied to your presence. Stand tall in the wreckage. Take a deep breath and pick up the first stone. The story isn't over until you stop writing it.